In this video, we will learn how to insert sum function in Excel sheet. So let's start. So this is my Excel sheet and here I have some data. So normally I just select the cell to sum this amount. I use the is equal to, then I write the sum, then I use the tab and I select this full column. Okay, and I use the bracket close and just enter. Okay, these are the sum amount I calculate with the sum function. Okay, the second way, you just go to the formulas and click on the insert function option. In function libraries have a insert function option, just click on it and you can see the insert function dialog box is open. Then search here the function. I just enter the sum and click on the go. Okay, the sum function is search, and after select this function just click on the OK, and here you can see the function arguments dialog box is open. Then select here the range of data. So here select D2 to D11 as same D2, the D is a column, D2 and D2 to D11 is the last product. Okay, it's properly selected. If you want to change, you can change it. If you want to select again, just click on this arrow and you can select again and you can see the changes on it, and just click on this again arrow. Okay, now here you can see the total amount also, total sum amount here previous showing, and the formula result same as here also, the formula result also showing the same amount. When you click on OK, here showing. Okay, just click on OK and 23,150. Okay, so this is a way you can insert some function in Excel sheet. So hope you understand. And one more way I show you here, the shortcut way to insert the sum function. Press the alt is equal to and you can see here automatically column also selected, and you just press the enter key of keyboard. Done, it's done. So this is a way you can insert the sum function in Excel sheet. So hope you understand. If you like, please subscribe.